very good sentence for assembly. So let's think about the things we need to do to show our behaviour expectations at assembly. We need to be on our bottom, which that looks pretty good to me. Legs need to be crossed and hands in laps, nice still bodies and eyes facing the front so that you don't miss any of the important information and so that you're ready to celebrate your friends when they receive an award. I'll be looking around to see who does the best job of that today. I'd like to invite Mudda to give our acknowledgement of country.
We gather today in a special place to continue our learning journey together. We acknowledge the Yagara, Jagara and Yagara people as the traditional custodians of the land upon which we meet. We pay our respects to the elders of the past, present and future and acknowledge that special connection to country. Please stand for the national anthem.
Beautiful job. I saw some wonderful singers up the front here. Zara from 1-2 did a beautiful job singing. Thank you. Great job. Okay, showing me whole body listening again. Ready to find out what our messages are for week 6. So Mrs. HB is away until Friday. She has a few meetings that she's attending this week, so she won't be here until Friday. On Wednesday, we have 4, is that right, Mrs. Fremantle? 4 very important special people attending a Bebot challenge. If you are one of our Bebot people, can you stand up for me, please? So we have Mattia, Tyler, Tia, and Connor. They're going to Laidley, is it Laidley, to do our Bebot challenge. So give them a big round of applause. We wish them the best of luck. I'm sure they will make us very proud. Sit down, guys. Uniforms. We need to talk about uniforms, and I'm very lucky today because these captains up the front are looking pretty schmick, so they're going to be my models. Can you stand up here? I haven't warned them that they're going to be my models. Stand over here. We're going to talk about uniform expectations because as it gets cold, sometimes our uniforms aren't looking quite as smart as they should. So when you're at school, you can have an option of 2 different jumpers. You can wear the school jumper like Charlie and Josh are wearing, or you're allowed to wear a navy blue jumper like Mudda is wearing. Any other jumpers? Not okay. So you'll need to make sure that you have a jumper for school that's an okay uniform jumper. If you don't, there's some available in the uniform shop, and there's some second-hand ones in some sizes in there as well. What can you wear on the bottoms? You can wear navy blue shorts or a skirt, and if your legs are cold, you can wear navy blue tights like Charlie or navy blue tracksuit pants. Any others are not part of our school uniform. Give me a thumbs up if you know what your school uniform should look like. Of course, you need to wear your school shirt. These two have the senior shirt on, which is okay, and Mudder's got his school polo shirt, which is okay as well. And on Thursdays, you can wear your sports shirt if you like. Thanks for being my models. Good job. Give them a clap. Okay, I want to share something exciting with you. In my hand, I have a little tag. Hands up if you received a tag that looks like this last week. Hand right up in the air. Those people were caught being kind. How special is that? These tags are called brag tags, and in the for the rest of the year, you'll be able to earn brag tags for certain things. So last week, some people earned brag tags for being very kind, and they were caught being kind in the playground. But you can also start earning brag tags, hopefully starting next week, for bees. So if you earn 100 or 200 or 300 bees, you're going to start getting brag tags. And then for other expectations that we have at school. So it might be that you follow eating expectations and someone catches you doing that and gives you a brag tag. So when you get your brag tags, Mrs. Millard's going to order some of these little rings to put your brag tags on, and you'll be able to display them in your classroom. And at the end of the year, you'll be able to take all your brag tags home with you to put somewhere special in your house, okay? So you can earn those brag tags. Congratulations to those people who've already earned brag tags. Okay, Mrs. Fremantle. Who's doing academic? Josh. Josh is going to come and say our academic awards. I'm just going to grab them, Josh.
Prep A, Grace, for outstanding efforts to contribute to class discussions. It's so nice to hear your thoughts. Prep B, Haley, for trying super hard to stay on task and presenting some fabulous work. Good job. Kai, for exponential effort in math. You're showing great skill in adding money together. Jaden, for persevering and using a growth mindset with hard constants. Great job. Lock 1-2C, Lachlan, for trying hard to engage in sentence writing during morning session. 3-4A, Mia N, for writing a great orientation for her giraffe can't dance story during independent writing time. 3-4B, Talon, for applying his knowledge about fractions to complete his assessment confidently. Great work. 3-4C, NDA, for outstanding efforts with time during math this week. 5-6A, Declan, for engaging in math lessons and academic classroom discussion with enthusiasm. Great job. 5-6B, Jax, for applying learned techniques while drafting your fabulous English story. Well done. 5-6C, Ben P, for using his imagination to show, not tell characters and using a range of descriptive vocabulary. Well done. Please give these students a round of applause.
Amazing job, superstars. You can sit down for me, please. Okay, let me see if I've got any owl badges, because I have a tendency to forget that. Let's not let that happen today. Oh, I do. Okay, these people can stand in their place because they've earned owl badges. With 50 reading episodes from Prep B, Lexi. Stand up there, Lexi. Good job. With 50 reading episodes from 1-2A, Colton, and from 1-2B, Adeline. With 100 reading episodes from 1-2B, Braxton. With 50 reading episodes from 1-2C, Macy Ann, Madison, and Airlie. Congratulations. Give them a big round of applause for me, please. Sit down, guys. Okay, Charlie's going to read out our Behaviour Award recipients for week 5. I'll just Amazing, boys and girls. Thank you. Good work.
Prep A, Ori, for being a shining light of kindness at GGSS. It is lovely to see. Prep B, Tristan, for always being kind and considerate GGSS. Amazing. 1-2A, Hunter, for being a respectful and conscientious learner. 1-2B, Alan, for following the golden rule and being kind to adults and peers. 1-2C, Ailey, for showing kindness and compassion to others. 3-4A, Rosemary, for showing kindness and being a trustworthy and respectful friend to all. 3-4B, Kiralee, for always showing kindness to her peers. Lovely to see. 3-4C, Madison L, for respectfully treating all with kindness and compassion. Thank you for your example. 5-6A, Dexter, for showing kindness, empathy and compassion to others and being a great friend. 5-6B, Riley, for being a kind and considerate person, demonstrating compassion and empathy to your peers. 5-6C, Lindsay, for showing kindness to others and always being a role model with behaviour and attitude. Please give these students a round of applause.
Wow, what wonderful, kind people. Thank you for being such kind people at Glenelg Grove. You're excellent role models. Okay, here's the tricky one. Show me your whole body listening. This one's the hard one to sit through because it's always lots and lots of names. Who thinks they can sit nice and still and quietly while I read all these names out? Oh, you're amazing. Let's see how you go. Okay, you're going to stand up if I say your name, listening carefully. From Prep A, on 300 Bs, Connor, Nate, Dominic, Olivia and Savannah. On 400 Bs, Jason, Jackson, Bruce, Bodie, Savannah, Grace and Hudson. This is lots of names, standing nice and still and quiet. On 500 Bs with a B badge, Savannah, Tarrant, Nick, Oliver and Harry. And on a whopping 600 Bs, Aubrey, Chris and Oliver. That's nearly the whole class. Congratulations. Big round of applause for these superstars. Woohoo. Okay, sitting down, Prep A friends. Okay, Prep A, show me your whole body listening again. Who's got it? Jackson's got it, Aubrey's got it. Okay, let's see who earned Bs from Prep B. On 100 Bs, Carlos and Hayley. On 400 Bs, Jackson, Ayla and Ashton. A big round of applause for these superstars. Well done. You can sit down. Okay, I'm going to read out all of my 1-2 people together. Are you ready? I can see Kara's looking and listening. What a superstar. On 300 Bs from 1-2A, Kai. On 400 Bs from 1-2A, Nash. And Annabella, Zara and Hunter. Stand up in your place. On 500 Bs with a B badge from 1-2B, Adeline. 600 Bs, Elena, Jackson, Cara, Ruby and Willow. And on 700 Bs is Shelley. And from 1-2C, on 400 Bs, Tyler, Madison, Macy Ann and Tia. Stand up nice and tall and proud. Give them a big round of applause for me. Congratulations. Well done, you can sit down. Okay, I'm going to do all my 3/4s together. I'll just wait a sec. Ayla, you're doing a beautiful job, thank you. From 3/4B on 200Bs, April, and on 300Bs, Kaylee. And from 3/4C on 300Bs, Idina, Indy, and Oliver G. And on 900Bs is Madison. Big round of applause for the 3/4 students, that's amazing. Sitting down. Okay, I'm up to 5/6, we're going well. From 5/6A on 400Bs, Oscar M, Kiara, John and Isabella M, and on 700Bs is Miles. From 5/6B on 300Bs, Troy, 400Bs, Tyson and Caitlin, 500Bs, Harry with a B badge, 600Bs, Mudda, and 800Bs, Charlie J. From 5/6C, 300Bs for Tyler, 400Bs for Ben P, 500Bs with a B badge is Jet, 600Bs, Dante and Brock, and 800Bs, wow, is Amelia and Kira. Give those 5/6 students a round of applause. Congratulations. These are hard. Okay, let's look at our behaviour focus for week 6. Eyes up on the screen. This is an important one. I mean, they're all important, of course. This week we're going to be looking at, this week we're going to be looking at all of our behaviour expectations. We're going to be reviewing the matrix. So we're going to look at being respectful, being responsible and being safe. And I have a little clip to show you about this. So eyes up on the screen.
Responsible and safe. Little girls' kids are respectful. Respect others' rights to life. We are kind to each other and our teachers. We take pride in ourselves and our school. We encourage each other. We take our learning seriously. We're at the right place at the right time. We are always ready and willing to learn. We look after our classroom and our belongings. And we always follow the school rules. Little brave kids are safe. We use the toilet appropriately. We always ask permission to leave later. We think before we act. Little brave kids are respectful, responsible, and safe.
So I'm really looking forward to seeing boys and girls be respectful, responsible and safe this week. Perhaps there'll be a brag tag to collect at some point. Thank you, boys and girls. Okay. I can't believe I'm saying this. Is that 3 weeks in a row? 2 terms. Just about 2 terms in a row of Prep B. Stand up, Prep B. I am pretty proud of this class. They have had the best attendance so many times this year. That means they're coming to school every day. Hopefully they're keeping healthy. That must mean they're keeping pretty healthy. They have won best attendance again. Lucky they're good at choosing songs. This week we're going to listen to You're Welcome by Dwayne Johnson. I love that one. Can you give them a big round of applause for winning again? Superstars. You can sit down, Bradley. Shh, shh, shh. Okay, jobs for this week. The flags is the vice captain. Sports shed is per Miss Smith's roster. Junior activities will be the school captains, and the mats need to be put out and brought back in by 3-4C. Principals Awards. This is my favourite part, I think. Okay, sitting up nicely, it might be you. Let me have a look to see if I can see this person. Okay, this person is from the upper school, and they have been nominated by their teacher for being a kind, courteous and thoughtful Grover, and for displaying a positive can-do attitude in all learning activities. And that goes to Dom in 5-6. Not here. How sad. Congratulations to Dom anyway. This person in the lower school has been nominated by their teacher for showing a wonderful commitment and engagement in all areas of her learning. And it goes to Sophie. Is she here? Yes, she's here, thank goodness. Come on down, Sophie. A big round of applause for Sophie. I love how enthusiastically her friends were clapping for her. They must think she's a deserving recipient of this award. Okay, our action for happiness in Meaningful May is to find a way to help a project or charity that you care about. That's a tricky one. You have to think about a charity or a project that you care about and think about how you could help with that. If you received an award today, you can come out for play 10 minutes early. And teachers will put photos on Class Dojo. Please listen to your teacher's instructions. Have a great day.